In that position where I'm wishing the conditions weren't so miserable. The movers and shakers with the visceral maneuvers, a designated minimal effect upon the educated criminal mind. And I never need religions when I can always feed the pigeons rather than going to catechism. Born Catholic with the crack addict's jism, I'm telepathic. You paid to see the blue suede shoe stamp on my soul and swallow a used tampon. Vandalize churches, my alarm signals me to scandalize disciples and then to purchase firearms. And as we layer the ammo and sing battle hymns along with the player piano, we dress up in cattle skin, stockpile supplies. One eye on the clock dial and I'm one on the executioner for the mock trial. Cut with precision, we make the final decision. Maybe we should pull the plug on a television, baby. But it's debatable, cause since the ego and the honest truth is still inflatable, he's scared to die. All we need to do is cut the air supply, tamper with the remedies. The veins feed the poison from the heart to the extremities. Beyond potential, we command and force the non-essential ones to ponder the causes and also honor the losses and profits. Plus, I beg your pardon, your story and spill your blood upon the dust to make a garden to scorpions.
You can't define what's direct from the east. You can't define what's direct from the east. You can't define what's direct from the east. You can't.
Check the index directory under metaphysical. 200 rappers aghast and need Pepto-Bismol from third eye. Hard to burn smarts. We see worms crawling in corpses of the living, the unforgiving, the unrelentless. We prevent this from happening, make it cease. So we fold them on the crease and make the effervescent decease. Increase the pressure, we don't want them no more. Put them on the westbound train from Mount Rushmore and lock the door behind them. Throw away the key down to the depths of the darkest sea. Remarks will be forgotten so long as we let them forget, lest we not forget the opposition and threat. You can't define it. We break, make and combine it, refine it, then bring it back to underground. You can't find it. We taking this shit back to 1986 AD. After democracy, for hands to hypocrisy. The psychological advantage combined with microbiological management techniques. You can't prevent catastrophe, not through empathy, no sympathy on the weak, mental telepathy. No need for formal speech no more. We moving on to door number 4, and then we disappear through the floor and reappear in the aftermath. You can't explain it, but it's coming, and I can hear hell's drummer drumming.